This presentation is about how to display a digital clock using timer control in Windows application. So for that, inside the components there will be timer option. So we are choosing the timer option. So it will be displayed at the bottom. And then in the form load event, we are going to start the timer. So I am giving timer. By default, all the controls will be named as 1, and we are going to start the timer. So we are starting the timer, and in the timer tick event, before that we are going to place a label box to display the time. So we are placing a label box. And in the timer tick event, we are giving label box text equal to time of day. Time of day. So when I run this program, the current time will be displayed. When I run this program, the current time will be displayed. So this is the use of a timer control. Now I am going to explain the date time picker control. So in the toolbox, we can choose the date time picker control. Date time picker. So I have placed this here, and I am choosing a text box. I am choosing a text box. So for this text box, I am going to change the properties. For example, I am going to increase the size of the text box. So for that, check you are choosing only the text box. Just click this on the text box. So you are going to change the properties of the text box. That is, you are going to set the size of the text box as 100, 100. And also, I am going to set scroll bar, vertical scroll bar and horizontal scroll bar. And also we can set the multi-line property as true. Multi-line means more than one line will be displayed in the text box. So now see the text box, its size is increased. We can also set the scroll bars. Now the text box is without scroll bar. Just to have a familiarity with the properties, I am doing this. So we can set the scroll bars. We can increase the size of the text box, and also we can set the multi-line property. Multi-line property means more than one lines can be displayed in the text box. So we have just given a picker date time picker control and a text box. So inside the date time picker control, I am going to write this coding. Whenever I am going to choose the date, it will be displayed on the text box. So date selected by you is like this. Just I am going to display the text. So when I run this program, for example, if I am choosing some date, November 28, the output will be date selected by you is 28 November 2020. That is, due to the multi-line property, it is coming in the next line. And we have set the scroll bars. We have changed the size of the text box. So in the date time picker, if I choose some other date, I can move to the previous months, and also I can move to the next months. So this will be useful for designing the form, and also today's date will be displayed. So when you choose this date, it will be displayed.